Hello, everybody. Hey guys, me, myself, and hey guys, how's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? It's at 1 o'clock. 1:40, so the block from 1 to 3. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. If you're joining me, can you please help me to tap the screen and share the live? Can you help me to tap the screen and share the live? We're gonna talk US immigration real quick. No. Hey David Hunter, good evening. Hey Charmaine. I know Charmaine, that is Champagne. Alright guys, we're gonna talk US immigration this evening. Again, remember, everything that we're gonna be discussing is to be understood as educational resources only. None of it should be thought of as legal advice. Again, if you're in Cincinnati, I am coming there this week. So from Wednesday to Friday, I'll be in Cincinnati. So if you are if you're in Cincinnati, I'm heading over there, okay? When the client called crying, so if you're in Cincinnati, I'm coming over there this week. As I said, Wednesday to Friday. We're willing to have coffee with you guys, so just let me know if you're in the area. All right. So that's Cincinnati. That's in Ohio. And that's this week. Okay. Again, as I said, we're talking U.S. immigration. I'm not staying pretty long on here this evening. I just wanted to come on to see how you guys were doing. It's a busy Monday for me. I want to say I got a lot done, but yeah, it was a pretty busy Monday. Okay. Remember, you can drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And again, everything that we're going to be discussing, you should consider it as just educational material to help you navigate your immigration process, okay? Sagittarius, how you doing? Good evening. What was I supposed to do for you again? No, I don't forget about you, but this has been, I'm super busy. That's what's going on. But let me put it on my things to do for tomorrow. Somebody says, Jay, if you have a co-sponsor, is it proof of affidavit of support? Say it again. So you're doing marriage-based green card and you have a co-sponsor, right? With the 864? Good evening, boss. Please, how much will it cost to help me file a marriage-based green card application? All right. I'll be happy to tell you that I don't know how to pronounce that. Send me a text message 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. And guess what, guys? You can now WhatsApp me on that number. Okay? You can now WhatsApp me on that number 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. Yeah, so if you're doing an adjustment of status and you don't have the sponsor, right, or the petitioner is not making enough money, then you're going to need to get a joint sponsor. And the joint sponsor needs to be making, enough to sponsor you. And yes, you'll do the A64 affidavit of financial support. I sent a case inquiry for EAD. It's outside of the normal processing time. How long will USCIS take to reply? That I'm not sure. Okay. Somebody says, have biometrics appointment 1 week after I file my green card replacement. Should I be nervous? I wouldn't be. Yes, you can leave me a message, guys. 850-920-3475. 850-920-3475. And again, that number also takes WhatsApp. So you can finally WhatsApp me on 850-920-3475. Okay? How much you have to be making? It depends on the household size. How soon can I get travel documents? How soon can I get? It depends. If you have an emergency, Teacher Smith, okay? If you have an emergency, you could typically call USCIS. You say something like InfoPass. Get in touch with an officer. Let them know, hey, I have an emergency. I need to travel. I have a pending whatever. I'd like to get an advance parole. And you could get an appointment to go into a field office to get the advance parole done. So that's an option that you can use to get the advance parole. And as you said, you want to expedite it. All right? No problem. 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. And again, we're also available on WhatsApp, so you could WhatsApp us. All right, somebody says, I'm depressed, Jay. All right, I guess I'll call you, Sagittarius. Come on, guys, remember to tap the screen, share the live. Invite your friends to come on in. We're talking U.S. immigration again. Nothing should be understood as legal advice, okay? It has been 21 days since I've submitted the RFE. Okay, so what? It's 21 days since you submitted the RFE, and what? So what? I got approved today at my interview. Well, congratulations, user 772-954-4995567. Congratulations on your green card approval today. Congrats. I'm happy for you. Guys, we just got to be happy for each other, because you may never know. It might be you next, okay? Somebody says, but I just need to submit a RFE for me and my spouse taxes and they will send the card. Okay. Well, just get that done. Yes, is that Yuli baby? Yeah, man. We gotta be happy for each other. It makes no sense with bad man anybody because it might be your time soon. Just need to amend my taxes and I'm good. Okay, good. Is it normal? I thought it's the time to receive my work permit. It has been 101 days. If you get an RFE and you respond to it, it's normal for 21 days to pass and they haven't said anything to you, because sometimes when you get an RFE, it kicks you out of the line and you start all the way at the back. You understand? Just need to amend. Yes, got it. All right. Somebody here says, I hope you're having a blessed day. Yes, I am doing pretty good. Thank you so much for asking. A busy day, but I'm doing pretty good. Thank you. Can you have more? If you can have more than one joint sponsor, yes, you can. Well, why would you need more than one, though? It really depends, right? So say, for example, the petitioner, your spouse, right, is not making enough money. You're going to look for someone that is making enough money. But there are other scenarios where, people can, let's say, couple or commingle funds. So your EAD card is on its way. Send it back with all the proof and details. And do they charge? What, the government made an error? Did the government make an error? Jay, can you clarify the Dignity Act? It's stated for undocumented or since 2021. Listen, remember that the Dignity Act is not it's not law. It's just a suggestion. And who says that it's even going to go anywhere? Remember, it wasn't Donald Trump's idea. And at the end of the day, he has to sign it into existence if it passed the House. Or the houses. So I would not even worry about the Dignity Act. I would not bank my money on the Dignity Act. In the meantime, I'd find another relief. I can't wait on the Dignity Act. Because who says it's going to even pass? And the phone, how much? It depends on how much you're making annually, yes. I'll have to ask her to send a copy of it. How she sent it in, okay? Hey, I'm doing good, Sweetness. How are you doing? So, guys, again, if you're in Cincinnati, I'm coming there this week. I'm looking forward to meeting with you if you are there. Even if you don't want nothing, just to have a cup of coffee or something. So that's Cincinnati, for those persons who are over there, okay? Is it safe to go for Social Security office? I mean, do you have a choice? And I don't know of ICE being a Social Security office, so I would assume that it is safe to go there. Being here for 2 years with a pending asylum, can you be deported? Anybody can. I mean, as long as you're not a US citizen, you can be. It doesn't matter how long you want to be here for. The fact that you're here for 2 years, and have a pending asylum, it doesn't make you immune from being deported. It doesn't. If 2 errors are on the I-485, can they be corrected on the day? Yes, you can. You can correct them, Ingrid, at the day of your interview. Hi, Jay. Miss Gloria from Columbus, Ohio. I spoke with you this afternoon. No problem, Gloria. Thank you so much also for chatting with me today. Thank you. If you have a word wrong on your asylum case, can it be fixed? Sure. Tell us more about the update guidance issued by USS about immigration. Which one are you talking about? Thanks a lot. Keep doing the extraordinary and informative work you're doing. Super amazing. All right, no problem, Ingrid. I need to talk to you. All right, those persons who need to talk to me, you can text 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. We're also on WhatsApp, so you could use WhatsApp too. Is F1 an option for me at all in my case? No, at this stage, that would not work also. Should the joint account be active with our daily necessities? Yes. What is I don't know, what's the policy update as it relates to I-130? Apparently, I didn't get that. Hey, good evening, Dons. Oh, wow, good to know. Thanks, though. No problem. My pleasure. Guys, again, U.S. immigration, drop your questions in the comments. Number up top is the number for WhatsApp, so you can definitely WhatsApp us there. And direct message, also calls. You can reach us there, okay? Dan, what's up? How are you doing? It's about sending NTA to people that file I-130 by itself if they entered EWE. But if you entered without inspection, you would not be able to file. You would not be able to file an AOS, okay? And more than likely, you would have already been in removal proceedings. Somebody says they heard that waiving interviews is bad now. Okay. Yes, you'd have to pay for an extension. Everything with USA, everything with immigration is at a cost. Even asylums that used to be free, now has a filing fee. So everything is a cost. If you have an interview coming up, make sure that you're prepared for that interview. If you don't have a lawyer, get one. If you need one, right? But make sure that you're prepared for your interview. All right? That's the most important thing. Make sure your spouse is attending. That too. Can you adjust from yes, you can adjust your status from J1. Sometimes J1 visa holders have the 2-year home residency requirement. If you have that, then you need to get your waiver before you're able to adjust. All right. Come on, guys, keep tapping the screen and sharing the live. We're talking US. Listen, if we're not tap the screen, and bring me to 10K, me can come off. Me can come off, go drink my soup. Because I made soup with beef and cow skin, red pea soup. Okay? All right. How much it cost? The last time was like 3 something to file the extension. I have to double check. You can always go online to USCIS and fee calculator, and you could find the fee there. Okay? If a child filed for parent, does the parent have to go for? Yes. Jamaican love those kind of soup, yummy. Yes, Scorpion. Beg you some of the soup, please. Come, Carlene, come for it. Come for it. Is USCIS still renewing workers' authorization? I felt back. Yes, they are. But remember, they did tell you that it's going to take some time for them to renew. And what they said was once you file, then your work permit is automatically extended for 540 days. Remember that, Hey, Exhale, how you doing? It's been a long time. Is it a good time to get married? It has never been a better time, Emily. It has never been a better time to get married. Are you in love? It has never been a better time to get married. Invite me to the wedding. I love attending weddings. Talking about that, I have one the end of this month. And I'm not lose no weight yet. I'm not buy no clothes yet. Can you imagine? Rasta Judge was in JA all summer, came back Friday. Oh, you came back Friday? Okay. Alright, big respect, Jay Carter. My green card approved. Me went in July 31st and it approved August 1st. Congratulations, Gary. Because someone is saying I need to wait. What are you waiting on though, Emily? You still have time. Forget the clothes. I do. Do I still have time to lose the weight? Ozempic. Oh, somebody says Ozempic. Okay. All right. Ozempic. Guys, remember, if you're in Cincinnati, I'd love to meet you this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay? Cincinnati this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I don't know, I'm not coming back home. I don't know where I'm going after that. Okay? Hey, sir, can I call you after the live stream? You cannot call me after the live stream because after the live stream, I'm going to go to bed. You could call tomorrow. Again, in order to talk to me, though, you have to pay your consultation, $97. Okay? Number to text or call is 850-920-3475, okay? Is it the 15K bond for BQ now? What are we talking about? Is the 15K bond visa serious now? Come to New York after. So I'm going to be in... So in September, I'm going to be, I should be in Houston the first part of September. And then the end of September, I'm going to be back in Houston. But then September 15 thereabouts, I'm going to be in Philadelphia. So I'm a lot of travels for September. Lots of travels. I don't remember what country I'm from. All right, Princess, no problem. It's 200 and... Oh, you said 15K. Oh, yeah, the 250. Yes. September, that's when that starts. And Scorpion, you're in New York? I don't know when I'm supposed to go to New York. I don't know. Soon, maybe, I guess. Maybe soon. I don't understand what is going on. I just joined the live. Okay, so we're talking US immigration. If you have a question, you can drop it in the comments. All right, remember, everything we discuss is for educational purposes. And I was sharing with the people in the live that I'm coming to Houston in September. Okay? Do you think everyone going in on a marriage-based case needs a lawyer to go with them? Not everyone. I'm going to be honest, not everyone. It depends on the facts of your case. All right? Some people will definitely need the support of an attorney. Others, they can wing it. You understand? Still not at 15K likes. That's not cute. All right, let me see what's going on here. All right, I'm on for 30 minutes. Not yet at 15K likes. I guess that's enough for tonight. All it says is that they're applying stricter vetting and interview rules. That's it. Hey Barbara, that's all they said. Stricter vetting and interview rules. I can't wing it. I'm stressing. Okay. What if I overstay in America? Then if you overstay, you need to find some way to fix your status, or maybe you're going to self-deport. I have a question. Even after having permit and SSN and green card, should I have to... So if permit, SSN and green... Once you have your green card, I don't think you have your ICE requirements anymore. Your ICE reporting requirements anymore. And that's good, Gary. As I said, nobody has to go. Not everybody needs to go with an attorney. All right. But if you have some sort of doubt, then you need to go with one. All right. Jay, if you get your 10-year green card, can your spouse do anything to you? What do you mean when you say if your spouse can do anything to you? What's going on? The relationship breaking down? When is the new citizen test coming? I don't remember. I don't know. Oh, your finger tired? I'm sorry. Okay, cool. Got it. So it is safe to travel after I have a permit. After you have a green card. With a permit, yes, you can travel within state. But if you're talking about international travel, you need to have a green card in order to do that. Yes, it's still the old test. If interview is like in a few days, should I still upload? No, you could take the new evidence with you. You would need to upload it. You could take it with you. Jay, what does it mean if you receive a mail from USCIS? They say they're taking action on your case. Okay, it means that something. So you have a case pending, and if you get that, it says they're taking action on your case. It means that something has happened. So either they're not reviewing the case, or they've approved the case, or they've sent you an RFE. Something has happened. So log into your online portal and look to see what it is. Okay. Hi Jay, if you're married on September 20th, 2023, and they approve your green card on the 10th, is it 2? Yes, it's still 2 years. Still 2 years, I'm sorry. Do you think I should get affidavit letters sent? Yes, 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 you should. Yes, you should. I had my master hearing in December 2025, but I just applied for my permit. But my master hearing is not showing up. So what is it showing now? Once the approval was once your case was approved and your marriage was under 2 years, then you'll get a 2-year conditional green card. If your marriage is over 2 years, then you'll get the 10-year. Is it safe to travel internationally with a green card? Green card holders can travel, but if you are a green card holder and you have a criminal background, then you need to consult your attorney before you travel. All right, no date, nothing. I can only see clock has completed 198 days. Are you checking the right place? Call the EOIR automated system to see if they have one for you. But you just said you had a green card just now. So if you get a green card, you wouldn't be still be in removal proceedings. All right, guys, I'm giving you 50 minutes more of my time. I get off here at 8 o'clock, okay? But again, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, the number is above my head. Is 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. Somebody says, I have an I-130 pending. Do you think it is wise to still submit my AOS under the updated? Yeah, why would you not? I don't know. I'm not seeing the... Because all the updated policy is saying is that... All right, so what it's saying is So it's August 1st, 2025, policy alert, family-based immigrants. It says the purpose is U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services is issuing a policy guidance in the USCIS policy manual to explain the requirements associated with the screening, vetting, and adjudication of family-based immigrant visa petitions to include eligibility criteria, filing, interviews, and decision. The Immigration and Nationality Act provides that U.S. citizens, U.S. national, and lawful permanent resident may petition for certain alien relatives to immigrate to the United States by filing a petition for alien relative, Form I-130. Certain alien relatives include immediate relatives of U.S. citizens or relatives who fall within a family-based preference category. Fraudulent, frivolous, or otherwise non-meritorious family-based immigrant visa petitions erode confidence in family-based pathways to lawful permanent resident status and undermine the immigration system in the United States. USCIS must ensure that qualifying marriages and family relationships are genuine, verifiable, and compliant with all applicable laws. This guidance streamlines existing policy to provide clear and consistent guidance for officers. This guidance will provide clarification on certain eligibility and adjudication requirements, including when USCIS requires an interview for family-based visa petition and that USCIS may issue a notice to appear to enhance benefit integrity and identify vetting and fraud concerns. And this is what you're asking about, where they say that, so it says this guidance also provides clarification on certain eligibility and adjudication requirements, including when USCIS requires an interview for family-based immigrant visa petition and that USCIS may issue a notice to appear to enhance benefit integrity and identify vetting and fraud concerns. This update also provides guidance related to family-based immigrant petition approvals and denials. This guidance contained in Volume 6 of the Policy Manual is effective immediately and applies to requests pending or filed on or after the publication date. The new policy update consolidates, clarifies, and supersedes relevant guidance found in Chapters 21(1)(a) and 21(2) of the AFM and AFM controlling and supersedes any related prior guidance. So that's it. So they're just doing a stricter vetting process. So they're saying they'll invite you in for an interview. I have an I-130 pending. Do you think it is wise to still submit my AOS? Okay, I think that was what I was trying to answer just now. Okay, cool. No, I was asking you so many questions about travel, domestic and international. Okay, so that's when I asked, can I travel with a permit? In domestic, you said, yes. Okay, got it. I asked because I overstayed my visa. It didn't say anything about overstaying a visa. Again, the burden is always on you to show proof that your marriage is legitimate. That's what it is, you know. It's always your burden to show that your marriage is legitimate. Both of you and the U.S. citizen. And so what they're saying is you filed the I-130, you need to submit the evidence to show that your marriage is real, and they'll schedule you for an interview. That's it. All right, again, if you're trying to make one-on-one contact with me, then you could use the number above my head. It's 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. The number is also on WhatsApp, so you could text us there. Would you be there in my interview? Sure. Hey, good evening. So again, if you want to do that one-on-one chat, $97, 850-920-3475. That's $97, and it's 850-920-3475. You can text us, call us, or WhatsApp us, okay? Again, I'm going for another 10 minutes and then I'm off. I need to rest and I need to pack my bag. Oh boy. Yeah. You have your physical... No, I do not. Hey, how you doing, Mr. Wilson? Your health matters. Guys, Mr. Wilson can sell you health and dental insurance. I did dental insurance with him and I'm going to get my teeth clean again tomorrow. Yeah, man, that's good. Good evening, Jay. What if you owe hospital bills? You don't finish paying them. Can that... No, it shouldn't. Yes, insurance. You can get it with him. What if I get 2 biometrics appointment notice? So once you go to the first one, you let them know that you're also scheduled for another one and they'll fix it. Consulting is $97. God Pitney, how are you? Health insurance, dental, vision for you and your spouse can be used as evidence. Yes. Yes. And you can reach out to Mr. Wilson for that. You guys, you can reach out to Your Health Matters for that. Health insurance, health, vision, and dental. You can reach out to him for that. Okay? Come on, guys, keep tapping the screen and sharing the live again. We're talking US immigration. I'm going for another 6 more minutes and then I'll be off. If you want to make contact with me, you want to do that one-on-one call, it's 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. Also, if you're seeing me for the first time, go ahead and give me a quick follow. Again, number is 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. So again, guys, thank you for coming on. If you're in Cincinnati, I'm going to be there this week. So if you're in Cincinnati, I'm going to be there this week. And we're willing to have conversations over coffee with you. You can reach out to us and we'll be happy to tell you where we're going to be. All right, so Cincinnati, see you this week if you're there. Again, if you want to make contact with me, 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. We're also on WhatsApp, so take advantage of that. Again, Cincinnati, we're coming to you, myself, Attorney Deanna Winter, and we're going to be there from the 6th to the 8th. All right. Thank you so much again for coming on tonight. It's an indeed pleasure to have connected with you. Somebody says, what if they want RFE for 864A cause affidavit filed jointly on last taxes? Then you have to give them what they want. Yes, give them what they want. Okay, give them what they want. All right, guys. So again, if you want to make one-on-one contact with me, 850-920-3475. That's 850-920-3475. You can text, call, or even WhatsApp us on that number now. Again, it's $97 for a chat. There's no way to escape it. $97. And we'll connect. Again, it's a pleasure connecting with you this evening. Walk good. All right.